now this is implemented here, and when we check into the website, this is not available here. That means this slider is drag and drop property is not working. Drag and drop property is not working, so we have to go with a different way.
Okay.
Okay.
Apply update.
Yeah.
Updates changes to page. Yeah, updated that blog, no, bro.
No, not like that. See, I'll remove this, which we have dropped. Okay.
Okay.
I'm taking this text editor. Okay.
Right.
I'm dropping this text editor here. So I'll go to this meta slider. Wherever the meta slider we created, we have to go there. And here we have some small code. Meta slider ID. This code you have to copy.
Only that copy.
Only that. Only meta slider ID you have to copy. Okay. Go here. Now already we have a text thing in this thing. So remove this text. Now we are in visual section. Okay.
Yes.
When we are in visual section, this is a normal Word document type. Okay. Convert this into HTML. Okay. Simply click on text. So now you have to paste this code here. Okay. Click on visual and just update. Okay. Here we can't see the slider.
Yes.
But if you go to the front end of the website, refresh, we can see a slider available.
Yes. Got it.
Is it good?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. It taken auto.
Now the last one is the square image. What happened?
Yes.
Whatever we want to show, it is not available. So try to design the picture in rectangular form, show the complete thing there, and you can stretch that image whatever size you want.
Okay.
Okay. Don't take square images, take a rectangle image.
Take images with same width.
Maximum try to take same width. If not, if that is more also no issue. See, that will have a same type of resolution, it will fit into that.
Okay.
So this is how we implemented the Elementor. Okay.
Yes.
Like the slider part in Elementor. Nothing like I want to show some services here. I want to show some services here. Then for that, first try to take a heading part. You can drop it here. See, when you drop it here, what will happen? This complete thing will be available in one box. Okay, that means in meta slider box only you are including this. You can drop it.
Okay.
You can take a fresh box for this.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes.
So this heading you can make it into the center, and this text you can change. Our services. Okay. Our services. Why caps lock is not working? Okay, our services. And this one, if you want to change the design, For example, I want to change the color of this. I can go to the type of the color, the style format, and I can take whichever color I want. Okay. And see, when you are picking a color, whenever you pick a color, we'll get a code in the down here with hash 30187.
Yes.
Every dot here will have a code. That means what we are doing, we are picking a pixel. That's it. We know pixel,
Okay.
a small dot is a pixel. Okay. So that dot we are picking, that dot only we want to show to the complete heading so that it will have the same color. Okay. And whenever you take for the next heading, try to take the same code. Okay. Once code got applied, take this code and you can use it in somewhere else wherever heading is there.
Okay, same color.
Yeah. Then you will get the same color. If not, what will happen? See, exactly we can't choose every time here.
Yes.
Yes.
So try to take this code.
Okay.
And anything like typography, the text type you want to edit, you can edit. Anything, Arial, any kind of thing. Times Roman, any kind of thing you want, you can change it here. Okay. And these are like different kind of extra things which you want to show for this particular text. Okay. Different kind of thing like this is a text orientation for this one. These are only for color formats. And if you want to make it animated, so don't try to take animation thing for headings part. Okay.
Okay.
If you like, if you feel like that is a major heading, for example, if that shows your service thing or a product thing, then make it an animation so that people will have a concentration on that. If not, don't make it
Yes.
animation. Just leave it in a normal way. Okay. Now here we can show our services. Now see, for that, if you have only one service, simply you can drag and drop a text part or an image part or a video part, you can show that. If you have multiple things, then surely you have to take an inner section. Okay. In this box we want. Okay, under our services we want, I have dropped a inner section. Now in this inner section, how you want to show, you can show. A simple image you want to show, you can show, or image with a text with a button you want to show, you can show in this way also. So for that, you have to have an idea what all properties are available in the Elementor. Okay. When you know
Okay.
the Elementor properties well, then you can design the sections easily.
Okay.
Yes.
I'm taking this one, I'm drawing this. Okay.
If we want to add categories on this boxes also,
Categories you want. So
uh,
what categories you want?
if I have a like job categories, latest jobs,
Okay.
one
So
it one box left side,
yes, for that
middle
you have to go to,
like teachers buddy website. I
okay. Okay. So for that you have to check manually whether that kind of property is available or not.
okay.
Okay. So here, meta slider, send comments. Any post
Recent post.
option is there?
Latest
Recent
post,
post.
latest post, like
Recent post is there?
Yes.
recent post, latest
This you
post.
can drag and this you can drop it here. Okay, recent post will be updated regularly.
Like
Yes, latest posts.
Number of posts you want to show. You can select how many posts you want to show.
Yes,
Okay, got it.
yes,
So this one we don't want here. I'm removing this. And in place of this, I want this again. So just simply I can duplicate this one. Okay,
okay.
and I duplicate this one.
Control D, up D.
Okay, so this I don't want. Just delete this. See, the thing is now we duplicated. Okay, now we are going to design this.
Okay.
Now here image is small. For this one, we'll go to style part. We'll increase the spacing part. Okay. Now image width or image sizes will be increased. Okay. Now this we did manually for the first one. For the second one, again we have to go to the second one. Again we have to do it manually. The third one. Now think that we have only three things. Now three things we'll do manually. Think that you have 10. Okay. Now 10 you have to do manually.
Yes,
Getting?
yes,
So,
yes,
so the thing is, whenever you are designing anything and you want to duplicate that thing in the same different panels, so first design this thing completely,
Then
yes,
duplicate.
then duplicate it. You will
yes,
save time. Okay,
Yes.
then things will be easy. For example, here I want this heading to be designed in different way. Okay, that may be color, that may be any kind of thing. I want it in a different way. Then I have to go to image size is okay, style, and in this I have to check for the color thing in this content part. Okay, color of the text, this one thing that I want it in red color. I got that.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so in this way it may be description also, any kind of thing whichever we want, you have to design in this way.
Okay.
I don't know why this here we are implementing the capitals and then the here we are not getting the capitals. No, something is happening. Okay, fine. So for this property, I can give an image, I can give a heading part, I can give a description part, and I can link to the service. Why? Because see, take a sample of home page. Think that you are designing the home page. How the home page should be. Now, in the home page, you will try to show everything which is available on your website. Maximum time will show services or contact details. This will show.
yes,
So when you show service, when people are interested, when they click on this service, they have to land that particular service page.
yes,
Okay. So give that link from here. Simply link from here. Whenever people will click on that service, they will fall there. Okay. Just update and we'll take an image also. This one will take insert. Okay. This is the image we got. Just update this. Now check in the website. This is the Elementor thing, and this is our image thing with service. Okay, so now I want to duplicate this now. Simply go for this option, go for duplicate. Okay, now when I'm
Okay.
duplicating, what is happening?
It's spread into
Size is also getting reduced.
reduced. Yes.
Why? Can anyone answer why it is getting reduced? Why it is not having the same thing?
Because pixel.
Space is
The
given
width is
for the 4 columns.
width only
Yeah, whenever you create more columns, then automatically CSS will get compressed.
compressed.
Okay, now that is the reason. That means, see, when I'm designing, code is also getting changed in the backend.
Okay.
So this is the thing. And think that I want animation for these properties. Okay, a simple animation I want. Then click on this one, whichever property you want an animation, click on that. Go with advanced section here. Okay, and see, for example, if I go to the website, you'll see whether things are there or not. Here I'll refresh this. So here we got boxes. Fine. Now think that these boxes, these images are not in a black shade. Think that these are in a white shade. Okay. If that is that like somewhat white shade, white background is there, think in this way. Then people will get confused which the image of continuation of the images. Okay. That means they are not having
Yes.
any layout.
Yes.
They are not separated. See, for the text, you can analyze for the text.
Yes.
So make it separate or make a design for them separately. So for that, we have went to advanced section here
Yes.
and scroll down. Here we have a border section. Okay,
Borders. Right.
give it a border. I want a border of, we'll take 3. 3 have taken. And border color, whichever you want to show, you can show. Border type is there. Where is the color?
Pixel.
Solid will take. Okay. And border color, think that I want to show it in red color. Okay, just update.
Okay.
Refresh. I got a border now.
Yes.
Yes.
Now the previous one is good or this is good?
This is good. Border.
Yeah, it is showing some layout, some design, and it matches the heading part. Okay. So the color combination. This is all the color combination. The simple when see one and one when you design everything, then it will take a look.
Yes.
Now I can give a border for this. We'll give a border for this also. Border, and I want a border of solid and of 3, and I want a color of blue. Let's go with blue. For sample purpose only I am giving. In the real time, don't give it this multiple colors. Okay. So how it will be if you give multiple colors? Think in this way. You went for a party with a yellow shirt, red color pant, white color shoe. So this will be in that way.
VP.
So this is the color we are picking, and this color we want it in green. Okay. So these are the borders we designed, and I want animation for this first and last one. Okay, we'll give some animation to this.
Okay.
So see, I have selected the first one, and we are in advanced section of this. I'll go to motion effects. Okay. Some animation they are asking. There are different kind of animations are available. Different things are there.
Okay.
For example, I want this slide and left.
Oh,
Is it fine?
okay.
And I want this from slide and right.
Yes.
So this animation also, don't make it heavy anytime. Make it as simple as it is. Okay.
Yes.
The simple animation will have a good look and good things. Sometimes what will happen, people will take a different kind of animation. For example, think that I want to make this motion
Up and
effects.
down.
I'll take this as mm,
Rotating.
rotating down left. Okay. So now see, now that is also an animation, that is fine. But what is happening when the animation is going on? What is happening?
Page loading speed is reduced.
And no, that is also fine. But the thing is, now this image is coming from left to right. Okay. Now when it is coming from left to right, it is overlapping with this image,
Yes.
with the
First
first
image.
one.
Mm.
Now, when anything gets overlapped, that means it is one kind of error.
Okay.
Okay. Then what we should do? We should give everything the same property.
Mm.
Okay.
Then
You have
nothing will
to
get
choose
overlapped.
it.
Okay.
Right.
Everything will have the same animation, same time. Everything will not overlap each other. Okay.
Right.
So when one kind of property is in one way and this is in a rolling way, what will happen? In the code part, now it will implement on SEO actually. So
Mm.
in SEO, the code will get some disturbance. So
Okay.
better to try a normal design with normal animation, and you have to check whether it is not overlapping with any other thing. Is
Yes.
it clear up to here?
Yes.
Everyone?
In mobile version is also good.
It is also good.
Just
Okay.
just I check in mobile version. This page, Elementor page.
Okay. So what about Sarika and what about Megha Sharma?
Just
Is it?
open this
Yeah.
mobile.
Is up to this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
Fine. Now, see, we have picked a domain name, the starting days.
Mm.
Now that domain name we have analyzed how to pick.
Yes.
Okay. Now that domain name will have an implementation in SEO also. That also we have thought. Okay.
Yes.
So now this design will also implement on SEO.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Why? Because when we search in Google, we'll get websites as a links. Okay. At the same time, we'll get images also. We'll get YouTube videos also on Google when you search.
According to the query.
According to the query, you'll get images, sometimes you'll get videos, you'll get website links, okay, you'll get a location map, different kind of things you'll get. So whatever different kind of things you'll get outside the search engines, like in the search engines, that type you have to implement in the website.
Mm.
Then only it will work for SEO. If not, why it will work for SEO? So try to take images, and the thing is, try to compress the images.
Okay.
Low pixels.
See, I'm not telling to reduce the size. I'm telling to reduce the image quality or size, MBs or KBs.
Mm.
Okay, resolution will be the same. The size will be reduced. Okay, why? Because see, now I have 4 images now. This is for one page, and whenever I create a blog, okay, in that blog I'll be creating a post every day. Think in this way. Now every post will have images.
Surely. Yes.
That means in a month I'll have 30 images to be done.
Yes.
Okay.
In a year,
365.
365. And after 1 year, it may be 5 years, then 365 into 5. Now it is a big number.
Yes.
Yes.
Now to load all these images, your hosting should be good. Your RAM should have a space.
Yes.
Okay, so for that reason, compress the images.
Mm.
Think that now this image, first image is 90 KB. Think in this way. Now this image is in 90 KB. Okay. Now what I did, now I reduced every image to 1 KB. Think in this way. I reduced every image to 1 KB. Then in place of one image, how many images I can insert?
90.
90 images I can insert.
Yes.
Got it. So try to reduce the images. How much slow you can reduce, that much fine. Why? Because this is a digital thing. It will look nice only. If you
Is there any
are going
software,
for
bro?
a print, then you have to give a good size. Got it?
Yes.
Okay.
Got it.
Okay. Now I'll go with some other property again. Fine. Think that we want a button also for this. Simply drag this, drop this button here. Make this button to the center.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes.
So
Click action.
I'll copy this. I'll paste it here. I'll paste it here. How simple is this?
You can just copy paste.
Yes.
Just like a
Yeah.
Word document, you are getting a feel.
Yes. In that click here button, we have to insert a link now.
Yeah, we can insert a link. Here, click
Yes.
here. This link I can give it here.
You are.
Yes.
Okay.
See, whatever URL you are giving to this image and this property, the same URL you have to give. That
Okay.
is called user responsive.
Okay.
Example, think that in one image I have shown digital marketing services. Okay. But when the client or the user clicking on the link, he is going to land to legal services page. Then what he will do?
Just
Not getting.
He'll feel like this website will show something which is not proper.
skip
Will
this
not come
website.
again. So
Mm.
check the links also. Whenever people will click on this, where they are landing. Are we given the same exact link matched or not?
Okay.
Oh, yes.
Fine. See, think that I'll give you one example. Now you're looking for a rent, a residential like shift, you want to shift for a new house, you are looking for a rent, and you came through across a house. It is showing 2 BHK. Okay. Near the gate, they had a box. They had a like something they have designed like 2 BHK is available for rent. Okay. Now you also want 2 BHK. Now you are satisfied with the board. You went into the rooms. Now when you went into the rooms, actually it is 1 BHK. Then what you will do?
Correct. Search for another website.
We'll scroll that person. You said 2 BHK downside. When we come up, it is 1 BHK. Why you are doing this? We'll scroll and
Yes.
we'll come.
Right.
So now the person will also do the same thing with the website. He'll check if he's going to the wrong place. He'll go to the review part. He'll give a review.
Yes.
Now
This
website will show
also shows.
something. When I click on the property, it will land on some other page.
Yes.
Got it?
Yes.
Now, when compared to positive thing in this world, negative thing will be famous every time.
Yes. It will
That will
spread
rule
very
fast
fast.
when compared to positive thing. If
Yes.
somebody is telling I'm very good person, it will not scroll very that much level. If I'm telling like this person is very bad, then that will scroll in seconds only.
Yes.
Got it?
Yes.
So the next design we'll do. Next I'm taking a heading part here. Scrolling down in part here. Try to implement the videos also for the company. Okay, videos also, YouTube videos. Make a link of that into your website so that it will have a good backlinks. This one featured I have dropped. Same videos I am dropping here. I'll not add any video. We will add one sample video. Is it easy to learn or is it difficult to learn?
Easy to learn.
Easy.
Analyzing the things well.
Yes.
Yeah.
For a sample, I'm adding this video will add. This one I've taken. This one we added. Okay. And if you want any duplication, you can duplicate this. We know already.
Yes.
I'm removing this. Okay. Now the thing is, the services thing, and this videos thing are getting overlapped. Like they're very closer to each other. Okay. So we want some space to that. So you can take a spacer for that. You can drop it here. Okay. Now we got a space.
Yes.
So how
Space
much
bar.
space you want, you can give. How much space you want, you can give. Okay, better to give a limited space only, not too much.
Yes.
Yes.
And for these properties also, I can give animation thing.
Advanced.
This property also the same thing, same animations I can give. Okay, just a simple animation I have given. Check with the website. So these are the our services thing, and this is the video section. Okay, right. Now
Yes.
In some websites, they'll have a design like they'll show their clients. Okay, they'll show their
Yeah.
client list. That list will be passing continuously.
Yes.
Yeah,
Random
like
customers.
our projects, they'll show the company logos. These are
Yes.
our clients. They'll show in this way. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Now that means they are not slider. See, slider means this is the slider. Okay, this is the slider.
First one. Yes.
Now
Services.
that is a thing like how you can tell. I'll show the property, then you'll recognize. Here, let's scroll down. See, here we have a section called carousel. Carousel is there. This way,
Yes.
drag it here.
Image carousel.
Yeah, we can drop it here. Okay. Now this carousel will work in the same manner. Okay. The thing is, whatever the image you are showing, try to take the same size. See, here I'm clicking on this image. Now we want the same sizes. So we'll take these images. Every image is in the same size. Now click on control, select whatever image you want to show, continuous format. Okay. Hold on control button and select the images and create a new gallery. Okay, these things we want to show in a carousel which will move forward.
Randomly. Yes.
Okay, and we can give captions also, whatever we want.
Yes.
Insert this. No, these all things will scroll one by one. Okay.
Bro, instead of images, if you want to give our Google reviews, Google Map give reviews.
What about?
Google Map reviews ये chain lo.
See, Google Map reviews if you want to show, then yesterday we have seen something called YouTube.
YouTube.
Yeah, when we want to show YouTube subscriber thing, now it is asking for
UPI key.
yes. Now for Google reviews also it will ask a UPI key.
Okay.
Okay. Now UPI key you will get, that is for sure. Okay, that is free. But the thing is to implement that UPI key, you should have Google Cloud.
Okay. Google
Okay.
Clouds.
Now Google Cloud is a paid one.
Okay.
So when you have an account on Google Cloud, then this UPI key will be implemented on the website and you can see the reviews available.
Right.
This if you want to go directly with the Google.
Okay. Or else you have to screenshot
Or
it and
we
make
have
it as a
plugins.
grid.
We have plugins.